Hey everyone, so my wife has been trying to grow her subscriber base on FeetFinder, but all we see are notifications on profile views, no real subscribers. Sound familiar? Today I'm going to break down how you can turn those views into thriving lists of subscribers. Let's get those numbers up. Step 1, it's all about quality content. So if you want people to hit that subscribe button, you need to catch their eye. Use a good camera to take crisp, clear pictures of your feet. Play around with angles, settings, and themes like seasonal or unique backdrops to make those images stand out. Next up, engage directly with those who pique your profile. Respond to comments and messages to make viewers feel more valued and more likely to subscribe. Show there's a real person behind those pictures who appreciates their attention. Register and verification reminder. Thinking of joining the foot photo game? Head over to FeetFinder.com. Sign up and get verified smoothly. Post limitless pictures, whether they're stylish shots in heels or playfully barefoot pics. Deep dive and let your creativity flags fly. Promote your profile. Don't just sit back. Promote your profile actively. Use social media platforms, foot lover forums, and community groups to spread the word. Link back to your FeetFinder profile everywhere you can. The more you're seen, the more likely you are to convert viewers into subscribers. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your profile fresh and interesting. Set a schedule for new posts and stick to it. This regularity keeps followers engaged and can turn casual viewers into committed subscribers looking forward to your next upload. And there you go. Turning views into subscribers isn't just luck. It's about strategy, engagement, and persistence. Keep at it and the results will follow. Before you head off, smash that subscribe button. Stay updated with all things Pics. Check out our other videos for more insider tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.